Okay, world's perfect kitten, Luna. First day out in the big universe. Oh, she says, oh, peers. Oh my God, peers. No, those have colds. You can't hang with them. Jack, leave her alone. Jack is kitten obsessed. Chasing Luna. Chasing Luna. Look at you all poopy-tailed. Alright, this is absolutely splendid kitten girl. Oh my heavens, stop it, Jackie. Oh my God, look at you, you pretty thing. You have the markings that everybody wishes they had. Whoops, I'm sorry, I don't know how to do this. Hang on. Let me show you gorgeousness. I see. Oh, no, see, they're hanging you badly. Mom is hanging you badly. I got the camera wrong. Too close, too far. Ain't no bunk. Okay, this is no good. Kitty and DA. Oh, miscellaneous psychosis. Here, monkey, go down. Stop. Poodle. It's okay, Luna. Oh, it's a very brave kitten. Oh, look at you like a little pumpkin. Look at you like a little pumpkin head. What a brave girl. What a brave girl. Alright, incredibly brave girl. First day out of the laundry room, waiting for her blood tests to come back to say she is negative for leukemia and AIDS and perfecto. You're going to have to wait before you play with those babies. Just another couple of days. Oh, it's the cutest thing I ever saw. Oh, God, look at the face. World's bravest kitten. Just like Marilyn was. Just totally unfazed by anything. Look at you. Look at this girl. Who's the bravest thing I ever saw? Look at you, tiny thing. We just want to go everywhere. Oh, do you want some nummies? Do you want some nummies, Bunk? I'm going to put you on the table for some nummies. She also has beautiful, gentle tiger stripes. Beautiful, gentle tiger stripes on the baby. Not hungry, just busy. Busy, 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 busy. And it's a bit of a high jump, Monk. Luna. She said we ate all night in the laundry room. There was plenty left over. All right, love. Here's your movie, oh bravest one. Oh, bravest one. Mikey, gentle. Mikey. Not your kitten. Mikey.